Hey there, I'm Celia, French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. This week I'm sharing with you the process of a painting that I made a few times ago. So I drew this composition in my sketchbook, but I waited a while before painting it because I really liked the illustration and I was afraid of messing it. But I finally decided to paint it and I'm happy that I finally went for it. I'm using some Holbein Acryla gouache and I've selected a restricted color palette including pink, purple and blue. I like to work with a restricted color palette because I'm bad at making decisions and it's way easier when there is only a few colors. When you are making your color palette, it's important to select at least 3 levels of contrast, so a light color, a medium one, and a dark one. It will help you to create a great contrast in your illustration. Having a great contrast means that your illustration is going to be more readable, the shapes are not going to fade into each other, and it's going to create a good balance. It's not an absolute rule. Some artists are playing with the contrast, making some highly contrasted or under contrasted illustration. So it's just a tip if you want to start somewhere. This overlapping from Holbein Gouache is super vibrant and the camera can't render that, so I'm sorry that you can't see how flashy it is. Most of the time I'm using some washi tape to have some clean borders when my paintings are finished. I'm playing with the double page to create a composition. I'm creating a plain page painting on one side and a dynamic shape on the other. I'm trying more and more to work with composition in my sketchbooks because I find the results super interesting and pleasing. When I'm painting with gouache, I'm painting the lighter colors first because the dark colors show up under the light ones. So if I'm doing some mistakes with the light colors, I can correct them with the dark ones. And I'm more careful with the dark colors because it's more complicated to correct. And that's the result for this painting. I'm super glad with how it turned out. I hope that was interesting for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!